guys, and welcome back to my space. Thank you again for joining me for another video. As the title would suggest, again, it is another unboxing. This I am so excited about. If you've seen my previous vlog, you probably know what this is already if it's out before this video. Okay, so I'm gonna get right into it, and when you see this bag, you're gonna know exactly what it is. So, give me 1 minute. Yes, it's Tiffany's. So I went into the mall already aggravated, thinking, okay, so it's gonna be long lines, I'm gonna be frustrated, I'm gonna be tired. I'm not waiting in long lines. So we get by Tiffany's, we didn't have to wait that long. And even when we did have to wait, they escorted us to their lounge area where we could sit down and wait until we got our sales associate. So I went into the store already pretty much knowing what I wanted. There was 2 bracelets that I was thinking about getting. I just wanted something simple that I know I'll be able to mix and match with my other pieces. I like to wear my David Yurman pieces every day and my John Hardy pieces every day, and I wanted something again that would be able to mix and match with both on an everyday basis. So let's get right into the unboxing. So of course I got a gift wrap because it was a gift for myself. Comes with the classic blue Tiffany box and the white ribbon. They give me an option if I wanted to choose a different color ribbon, but I just wanted to keep it classic. And it also comes with, they put the receipt inside this cute little card here. So in case I forgot to mention, the price point for this bracelet was $175 before taxes. So I guess the taxes will depend on what area or what state you live in on top of that. But it was definitely under $200. So the price point was great. I'm going to do some cutaways so we can see some close-ups of everything as well. It comes in this really pretty Tiffany blue little duster bag. So it is a classic Tiffany's bracelet. Can you see? It is a classic silver clip Tiffany's bracelet. It says Tiffany & Co. on one side, Tiffany & Co. New York. And on the other side, it does say T & Co., which you can get it engraved. And I'll be doing close-ups of this. Like I said, it's something simple, but I just thought it was special. Just something as a pick-me-up gift, as a Christmas gift to myself. And like I said, I can always mix and match it with all my other pieces. Again, I would wear my John Hardys and my David Yurman pieces. I just wanted something simple that can go on this hand. So I'm going to do some cutaways while I just talk a little bit about the experience I had going into the Tiffany store. So, of course, because of what's going on right now in the world, it's not like we could just walk into the store willy-nilly and just do our thing. So when I got up to the store, it wasn't a very long wait at all, and once we waited more than maybe 5 minutes, then they escorted us into the lounge area to wait until sales associate was available. Then we were assigned our sales associate, and she showed us a few different things. We were looking at some diamond earrings and some crosses and some different bracelets. But looking at some diamond earrings, some like cross necklaces with some diamonds. But I pretty much had an idea of what I was looking for. Again, I wanted something simple. I have bought Tiffany's before, but it wasn't for myself. So now I was able to buy something for myself as like my starter experience with Tiffany's, and I'm really excited. The service was great for what we can actually offer. I know we were trying the bracelets on, they weren't able to put it on us. We would have to basically attach the bracelet ourselves because of COVID. We can't touch each other, but you know, for the most part, it was a great experience. I went into the mall thinking, okay, I'm gonna be aggravated, I'm gonna get out of here, there's no way I'm gonna be able to even shop in peace. But it wasn't that bad, being as it was the day after Christmas, so it was okay. For the most part, I'm very happy with my purchase. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for another video. And remember, if you have any questions about anything, any comments, leave them down below. Feel free to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye.